Mustaqim Dyeing and Printing Industries was established in the year 1994. Mustaqim is a part of Ghani and Tayyib Group. The group turnover is $500 million, whereas Mustaqim's turnover is $95 million annually. Mustaqim has over 13 years partnership with IKEA. For IKEA, Mustaqim is making printed, dyed and bleached bed linen, curtains and meter fabrics. Mustaqim is potential prioritized supplier for IKEA since 2010.
We've had a working partnership with IKEA since the year 2000. Because of this long association and partnership with IKEA, we've learned a lot about social compliance, which we have implemented in our daily production and our facilities. Because of this long working partnership with IKEA, we understand very well the needs of the markets in which IKEA sells. Through this, we aim to achieve maximum satisfaction of IKEA and, more important, the satisfaction of the demands of the final consumer, the housewife. We started business with IKEA with $2 million and we have grown steadily over the years, and last year we closed a business turnover of $40 million with IKEA. Our budget for financial year 14 is $50 million, through which we aim to satisfy IKEA and the final customer.
IKEA has recognized Mustaqim's performance on availability and quality through Supplier of the Year Award for availability and quality. Mustaqim has textile wet processing and stitching facilities. The factory has total capacity to produce 0.175 million meters of fabric and stitch 0.2 million meters per day.
In the stitching processes, we can make the process more efficient by using more industrialized practice.
The grey cloth is received from sub-suppliers. The process starts with a grey cloth, which is first pre-treated, and then it is either dyed or printed based on the design for IKEA product. The processed fabric is then cut, stitched and packed according to IKEA requirements. According to the delivery plan of IKEA, the products are shipped to IKEA distribution centers around the world, then eventually to the customers in stores. Mustaqim also has a strong commitment towards sustainability and better working conditions for its co-workers.
I can see the lot of opportunities in improving the production in Mustaqim. We can improve our production by reducing the wastages, by reducing the reprocesses, and also involving the people. By team activity, we can reduce our wastages and we can improve our production. These are the areas where we can work and we can improve our production.
Traditionally, textile production is not driven efficiently due to low input costs. This makes manufacturing process tuned to produce waste, and eventually it is customers who are paying for reworks and rejections. Now the cost of inputs has gone up, and with the same level of wastages in production, it makes textile products expensive for the customers.
The purpose of this project is to improve production efficiency and to reduce waste, and eventually cost is less. In this project, IKEA is helping us to remove inefficiencies from our production. This project covers all production processes like grey receiving, bleaching, printing, stitching, and even logistic also. The duration of this project is 6 months. The goal of this project are -2% on poor price and to be a prioritized supplier of IKEA. As a project leader, I am very confident that this project will help us to change the way of thinking of our people, and they will be more on problem solving.
If IKEA helps and guides us in being able to reduce our cost or putting us on the right direction to reduce our cost, this will result in us being able to supply the same product at a lower cost, meaning a lower price. This will help IKEA and Mustaqim achieve the main objective of being able to supply more for less, meaning a lower price, meaning higher satisfaction of the ultimate customer of IKEA.
Mustaqim and IKEA have been enjoying outstanding working partnership since 2000. With over a decade of working relationship, we at Mustaqim understand the need of the market that IKEA serves.
The reason we are interested in doing an SDP manufacturing project is because we want to produce using the least amount of energy, the least amount of wastages, so that we are able to produce a product most efficiently at the most efficient price, which is price competitive, so that we are able to achieve maximum customer satisfaction. In other words, give more to the customer for less, meaning a good product at the most cost efficient price.
Through SDP projects like cost savings, smooth process flow, linear capacities, improved quality, logistic development, etc., we aim to achieve maximum satisfaction for IKEA.
I am very optimistic. There are many examples in the past of this happening. One very relevant example is the automobile industry in Japan. If they have been able to do it, why can't we? So we are very motivated, very optimistic.
इससे हमारा कस्टमर खुश होगा.
It will change the way we think.
It's about your cost.
It will make our customer happy. It will change the way we think and the way textile is produced today.
It's about efficiency.
It is about bringing hidden cost on the surface.
It's about lesser waste.